Hi there, I'm going to show in this video tutorial how to change the menu configuration for Nokia 164G 2023. As usual, we have here one sample, as you can see. The plan for this video tutorial is to demonstrate how to remove some menu items and leave enabled only the ones we need. So in order to do this, I'm going to use FuriouSGOLD Boss SSPD service tool. So let's start by going to the debug mode tab, choosing our model, and from here I'm going to select menu matrix config, and from here I'm gonna choose my model, so Nokia 164G 2023. So we have here available all the menu items which you can enable or disable as we need. So for this demonstration, I'm going to choose contacts, messages, snake, Tetris, blackjack, and videos. Going to press done. Connect. Once the software starts searching for the mobile, I'm going to simply power off the device without pressing any other button and leave it connected. Done. Now let's remove the USB cable. As you can see here, in order to complete the process, we need to do a factory reset from the menu or by using the code. So let's reset it from the code. Now let's wait for the phone to power on. So now let's check the menu. So as you can see, we have contacts, messages, snake, Tetris, blackjack, and videos. So everything went okay. Thanks again for watching this video tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.